Good morning. Good morning, my love. Good morning, baby. Right off the bat, we need some coffee. We need some green tea because we're healthy bitches. We need to chug hydro. And I woke up a little earlier because I need to finish editing my St. Patrick's Day bikini haul. I had to redo the entire thing because my effing nipple was showing in it. But the thing is, it wasn't even my nipple. It was a shadow, but it looked like it. I filmed it for the second time yesterday. I tried to edit as much as I could, but we'll see what we can get done so I could have it exported and uploading onto YouTube to be approved by today because, oh my god, happy St. Patrick's Day. The luck of the Irish. Luck of the Irish. No, let's not do that. Let's not do that. This is my cool down coffee. It's the extra from the pot coffee that I just put in the fridge. And then it's cold and it's perfect. I just can't stand when the coffee is like watered down. I don't want that. Now you guys understand a fraction of what I deal with in the morning with Chip. She wants her food because I'm up, but it's not 8 o'clock yet. This is the Silk Almond Milk Creamer Creme Brulee. Because I don't take 2 trips and I'll still be filming. And I forgot to fill up my hydro. Because I don't take 2 trips and I need hydro. We are going to the salon today. Like, am I a brunette or am I a blonde? I don't know. Can we hear it for the nails? That is the oldest picture of me ever. That is going to be part of my bikini haul. For editing like that, I use PixArt. The funny story is I got a free trial, and the not so funny thing is I forgot about the free trial, so it's $60. Okay guys, it's $60, so, but to be fair, I use it. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Do you think this will scare people, guys? Be safe out there. I will. Is it time for your dinner? Oh, sorry, my god, your breakfast. We have the goods. Yummy, my love. Bikini haul series. How many times have I watched this? Watch out, baby. Watch out. And of course we have to fit in our workout of the day. We are doing a 40-minute power glutes with burnout finisher workout. I was in the mood for some glutes. Normally I would add on a walk to this, but I am running out of time. I'm supposed to leave in like an hour and 20 minutes. Wow. My legs are shaking. I realized I was really running out of time, so I skipped about 5 minutes of the 40-minute workout. But I still got 35 minutes in, and I burned 201 active calories, 246 total. I am sweating so bad. And as far as makeup, I'm only gonna do like just some concealer, even out my skin tone. And hopefully I'll have enough time to make some sort of food before I go because I am hungry. Here is the salon fit. Some black pointed toe boots, my favorite jeans, and a cute little button up top. Road trip! Mob over speed bumps because Gretchen can take it. The only thing is I did not get to eat, and I love to eat, so I love to eat a little too much sometimes. But I think a Starbucks moment after this is well deserved, so that's what we'll do. Have you guys ever gotten a ticket? And if so, what for? I've gotten a ticket one time in my life. I was unwell for days. I was coming home from Jamie's house, which she lives about like 4 hours away. And that whole day, I was really hungover. And most of the trip is 70 miles per hour, but there are 2 spots where they're 65 miles per hour. Well, it's dark, I'm hungover, I'm tired, I just want to get home. And I'm mobbing. And I'm thinking I'm making really great time. And next thing I know, I see a motorcycle cop behind me. And I'm like, that's not for me. No. Like this isn't the moment I got my first ticket. Don't do this to me right now. Well, it was for me. This motorcycle cop, I know he felt really bad for me. I didn't even know where or what my registration was. I had to text my mom. I think I was going 87 in a 70, well technically 65. The cop did me a solid, but he still gave me the ticket. He leaves, I immediately start bawling, and then I go to turn on my car won't turn on. I go to turn it on again and it's flashing, coolant, check coolant, check coolant. And I still had about like 2.5, 3 hours to go. And I got a fucking ticket. So I was crying the whole way home too. Oh, can I get a straw, please? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, I mean, I think obsessed is an understatement. The vision was Pam Anderson. I'm like living my best life. And then of course we have a grande caramel mock, extra caramel with oat milk. I was feeling frisky today, so add shot. I think I almost fell asleep like 30 times. It's just like nobody plays with my hair and I just soak it up. I'm relaxing. Oh my god, this is so good. My first meal of the day.
Serving it up, Gary's way, pop.
God, I really need to stop at Ulta, but I also need to stop at Trader Joe's. Last night, I made this mushroom cauliflower risotto. It's also vegan too, and it was the greatest thing of my entire life, and so I think I have to make it again. I am back, bitches. I'm blonde and I'm back. I'm back and I'm blonde. Hello. Guys, people are so nice. They were giving me compliments. You don't have to hype me up like that. Ulta haul. Starting off with the shampoo. So I needed more purple shampoo, but then I got a normal shampoo, Defy Damage. I got my favorite NYX eyebrow gel. And then we have a ColourPop lippy pencil, BFF2. And it's a little bit darker. Last thing, we have the Morphe Jumbo Continuous Setting Mist. A puppuccino for the bean. Girly. For the Trader Joe's haul, I feel like I'm at Trader Joe's at least 3 times a week. Parsley, sliced white mushrooms, and then we have shallots, nooch, coconut cream. They have their grapefruit candles, so yes, yes, yes. It's about 3:40, but I'm gonna FaceTime my niece right now and we're gonna play Bratz. The fact that my niece gives me a reason to play Bratz in my 20s, like, that is why my sister had children. My ring. Oh my god, guys. My pinky ring just flew off. I cannot make this shit up. It bounced off and landed in a goddamn spider web underneath the crevices of the cabinets. This can't be real. First of all, ew, but how did that happen? Why do I feel like it's the spider's ring now? It's not my ring anymore. It is the spider's ring. Oh god. I turn into Spider-Woman. Is this my origin story? Ellie, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Hey.
And they don't say sorry.
And they don't clean up after themselves.
They're babies.
They are babies.
They can't clean up.
I know. What about at the same time? Yeah.
Two,
Okay,
one,
go. Love her. Like my heart. My heart. I am very hungry and it is time for dinner. I put extra parsley because I forgot it yesterday. It deserved extra. And we taste test. I will link this recipe down below because I feel like everyone deserves to taste this. It is time for me to hit the hay. So the reason why I'm actually doing this vlog is because I actually asked you guys what you want to see more of besides hauls on my channel. And don't get me wrong, I freaking love hauls. We need something else mixed in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I had so much fun. So if you like it, let me know so I can continue doing things like these. What is happening? That was so creepy. It just like stopped recognizing my face. But yeah, let me know how you guys like this video today and what you kind of want to see more of. And I'm going to go watch probably Real Housewives of New Jersey or, oh no, I'm gonna watch The Tinder Swindler because I said that's so weird. And if I'm being honest, I've had a couple hits off my stizzy. So, and ever since watching Inventing Anna, I've been obsessed with like fraud things. I just watched the Fire Festival documentary. So I'm on a rabbit hole with that. And now I'm moving on. So I love you guys so freaking much and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
What's up, guys? I'll do another bikini haul, just you gotta wait. Right now I'm just gonna do what I like.